Hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know that the next few videos that I'm going to be talking about are going to be dedicated specifically to women's health. So the first part of the series I'll talk about pregnancy and related issues, then we'll go into menopause and some of the issues there and how essential oils can support, and then we'll look at other hormonal issues that women tend to suffer a lot with. So I hope you'll find the series really beneficial. Before I get into the first video, which is I'm going to be talking specifically about morning sickness, just a really quick word about using essential oils during your pregnancy. So essential oils are safe to use during pregnancy. There are some oils, some of the really strong oils like oregano, sage, mugwort, things that you probably wouldn't use anyway, but you do need to be careful not to use those really strong oils, and I'll publish a list of which oils to avoid as well as which oils are safe. I'll put them on my blog site so that you've got a really clear list of exactly what you can and can't use. The caveat to that is that you shouldn't use essential oils on your skin, on your body, during your first trimester, but there are other ways that the oils can support you during that first trimester, and as I'll talk about in the next video, especially with morning sickness. So there's a little bit of information up front. The other thing to just be careful with using essential oils on your body during pregnancy is just making sure that you have the right dilutions, and it needs to be an extremely low dilution as well, just to be on the safe side. So I would recommend that you don't go over a 1% dilution during pregnancy, but basically if you see a recipe that's being given to you by a qualified aromatherapist, it'll usually be in the right dilutions. Or if you see one that you think looks really nice that wasn't specifically designed for a pregnant woman, you can usually halve the amount of drops, again, if it's a qualified aromatherapist who's written the recipes. So as always, anytime you have any questions, concerns, contact me directly. You can contact me on the Blends by M Facebook group via private message, or you can jump onto Instagram. There's a Blends by M Instagram account there as well where you can message me directly, or you can email me directly as well if you have questions or concerns. And if you jump on the Blends by M website, you can also book a consultation where we can talk about your specific pregnancy, any specific issues you're having, and I can make and recommend blends specifically just for you. So there's a little bit of information up front, and I look forward to seeing you in the first video of the series where we're going to talk about morning sickness, and I'll talk to you then.